Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Jaguar XE, and we are with the 3.0 supercharged motor. We're going to go over how you would change your air filter. This is the engine air filter on this vehicle. So to start with, you have two engine air filters on here because we have one on the right side, one on the left side of the vehicle, both on the front there, and they both feed in to the throttle body there and the engine for the supercharger. So the process is the same essentially on both sides, but we're going to go over how you would do that, and they're just a slightly different filter. One has a taper one way as the other one has a taper the other way. So to start with, we have the one on the right hand side, which is your passenger side of the vehicle. And so what you're going to need is a T25, a 7mm if you decide to take this off. You don't have to. And you'll just need to be able to undo this clip. And so you undo the clip. This just gives you more flexibility because the cable holds this down. But you just push this yellow clip back and then press the tab down, and then you'll be able to unhook that connector. Then we need our T25 to go around and undo 7 screws. And these screws you'll back out, and then they will stop turning, but they stay inside this upper housing. Those are loose. And then just to make it easy, this is a number 7mm. You'll loosen this this clamp, and then you'll be able to just pull this up, and because we undid the clamp, we're able to just remove this whole unit. If not, you can just pull it up. You'll have enough space to be able to just pull that out. And we're going to take our old air filter and just pull it out to be able to replace it. We're going to check in here. We've got a lot of debris. You would vacuum that out. There's not that much in there. That's the old one. So then we're going to take our new one and be able to put it in there. And like I said, we have, this is the one for the other side. This taper we need to have bend this way. I got the wrong one there. So then we have our new filter to be able to be installed. You just drop it down into place there. Then we'll take our cap, be able to get it down into place, and then line up the screws and tighten them down. And we go for a good snug, but we're not like going crazy. We're just tightening into plastic here anyway. Alright, we don't want to forget to hook up the mass airflow sensor. That'll cause other issues with your car running. And then you'll want to tighten this clamp, flat blade or a 7mm. So that is the right hand side, and the left hand side is very much the same. So we have the left hand side over here, and we're going to go over and replace that. Same thing with this mass airflow sensor connector. It's got the, it's just flipped upside down. It's going to have a tab on there that we got to get pulled back. And then once the tab's pulled back, we'll be able to squeeze and open that up. Then we have this little connector here. And these you can just pull out like that. And then we've got the 7 screws to undo and to loosen this up. Right, so worked your way around. We got all the 7 screws removed, and now you'll be able to just pull this up and pull that out. Take our old air filter and pull it out, and then we've got our new one with the taper that matches the old one. So we set that into place and work our way around, tightening. Again, the 7 screws that hold it on. And after you get done tightening all the 7 screws, or either way, you're going to want to make sure you reconnect your mass airflow sensor that's on the left-hand side. And we can put this clip back in there, and you'll tighten this, and that's how you would change your air filter, the engine air filter, on your 3.0 Jaguar XE of 2016 or newer. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.